Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm about to teach you how to log into your Microsoft account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. To do this, firstly you need to open your preferred web browser. In this video we are using Google Chrome. Click on it. In the address bar, type in www.microsoft.com. Hit the enter key. So now this opens the home page of Microsoft. So on the top right corner you can see the option of sign in. So you have to enter your email if you already have a Microsoft account, but if you don't have, you can click on the create one. So to create an account, you can enter your email address. Next. So here you have to create a password. So make sure you create a strong password. Next. So now here you have to enter your personal details like your first name and the last name. Next. So select your birth date and your country and the region. Next. So it sends code on your email. So go and check on the email and enter the code that you have received. Enter the next button after entering the code that you have received in your email. So congratulations, you have successfully made your Microsoft account. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel.